Hi, my beautiful people. Good evening. Hi, everyone. Welcome, welcome, welcome. I am just about to do my night routine. If you have been watching this channel, you've been a regular, you will have noticed I have been doing a series on Atomy Daily Expert Mask. Okay, there are three types of this mask. We've got the brightening, we've got the firming, and we've got the moisturizing. Okay, I have done a demo on the firming, I think the brightening first, and then I've done another on the firming. Tonight I am just going to do one on the moisturizing. Okay, so we've got the brightening, we've got the firming, and we've got the moisturizing. Okay, all three of them. Okay, now today I was just gonna like tone down basically to go to bed. Okay, so I said, you know what, I'm gonna show them exactly how I do my night routine to go to bed once I decide I want to use the daily expert mask. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing first and foremost is, hang on a minute, let me try and pack my hair properly so it's off my face. Which I always do, you know. I need to get that off my face so it's not interrupting what I'm showing you tonight. Okay. All right. Okay, that's the hair out of the way. Okay. Before I start using my mask, guys, ladies, before I start using my mask, I always hold my cotton pad, okay, face pad. I love my ladies, you know what this is anyway. Okay, so you put your, okay, you put the deep, this is a deep Atomy deep um pure cleansing oil. As you can see, Atomy deep pure cleansing. It also works well with blackheads, and basically it's also good as a makeup removal. Okay, so I don't have sebum, I don't have all them excess sebum, I don't have blackheads, you know. I just use it to take off my makeup because it's also very good to take off your makeup. Okay, so it removes impurities as well. Okay, and without irritation, basically. That's why I like it. There's some products you use and then it starts irritating your skin. I don't like them ones. Okay, this one actually leaves your skin hydrated. Okay, so you're removing the makeup and it's also keeping your skin hydrated. Okay, so it's a win-win for me actually. Atomy deep pure cleansing oil. Okay. And I remember I recommended it to my friend, and after using it, she said, "Oh my gosh, Lois, this is really nice. Whoa, I didn't know Atomy had such a good product. This is really nice." So what I'm doing is now I'm taking off. You see how quickly it takes off that eye pencil, you know, that I've got there. It's so good. It just takes off, you know, those of you who like to do layers and layers and layers of foundation. I'm not very good with foundation. I really don't do foundation. Not because it's wrong or I'm against it, you know, but I just don't do it. A lot of times I don't, you know, because this is, I just put on my my normal face powder, okay, and juggle all the makeup together, and I'm good to go, you know. I'm good to go. So no stress, basically. You see, it's taking off all the makeup and the powder that was there before. I'm just going to use a little bit extra. Okay, see, it just pumps out. Okay, so I'm going to just use a little bit extra. This is all done. See how easy that was to just take off my makeup. Okay, so easy. Look, it's all gone. All the makeup, everything, it's all gone. See, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Don't you just love this? Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Don't you love this? It's amazing. You know, it works like magic. The deep, it's mild cleansing without irritation. Like I said, it's plant made from plant derivatives, and it's very, very refreshing. It gives your face a refreshing feel. You know, this is really nice. See, that's it. That's makeup all done. All done. All done. All done. So what I do after this, I just have a like a nice clean wash. If you say if you don't want to wash it, because I have a friend who says, once it's done, makeup done, I'm done. Like literally. But I like to go wash it off, okay? And just, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna start with the what do you call it, the Daily Expert mask, which is the moisturizing one I'm doing for you tonight. If you missed my previous videos on the brightening and the firming mask, please go watch it. I'm also going to pin it with this video so that you can also watch it, okay? In the comments, I'm going to put the links to the other two videos, the brightening and the firming mask. Tonight, I'm doing the moisturizing, okay? To moisturize my face, okay? All through the night, I get all them nutrients into my skin, and I wake up with a very nice moisturized skin. Okay, so let's go wash and come back. Voila! Look at that face. All washed, all clean. Look, you can even feel it, okay? All washed, all cleaned up. All washed, all cleaned up. Look at that. You can see how clean. Oh, that feels really clean. I love this. It feels really clean, and immediately you feel the freshness, okay? Ooh, nice. I love this. Okay, so I'm going to use the moisturizing mask, okay? By the way, so those of you who want to know about the Deep Pure Cleansing Oil, this is one of our products as well in Atomy. It contains 7 types of red yeast fermentation oil to make the skin healthier and more moisturized, okay? And it has argan. A lot of you know argan oil. Yeah, it's got argan in here. It's got olive, okay? It's got sunflower, jojoba, green tea, macadamia, and camellia. So you can imagine, very, very rich, okay? Whew, love it. Gentle and light daily clarifying cleansing oil, sorry. So this is a one to watch. This one is one to watch for. Okay, all right. So it's also part of my night routine. Sometimes when you go out, you come back and you just want to, take off that makeup. I said in my previous videos, please do not sleep with your makeup on. Okay, you don't want your body absorbing all them. You've had it all day and then you want to sleep all night with your makeup on. No. If you want a quick, fast way to do it, grab the Deep Pure Cleansing Oil. You saw it literally took me less than 3 minutes to get all that done, so it's amazing. So I'm just gonna, this is a mask now. I brought it out from the pack. Ooh, it's dripping now with all the nutrients dripping down. Don't worry, I've got something on the table, so it's absorbing the drip. Okay, so let's go. I'm just trying to look for there, because when you put it on, as you've seen in my previous videos, you have to take out the top. Okay, so that's it. You have to take out the top protective layer, okay? You know why I'm doing that? It's cold. Ooh. Yeah, that's it. That's the Atomy Daily Expert Mask. And we're talking about the brightening one. Now I'm looking for that I'm looking for the film. Some people tend to take out the film before they even put it on. They take out this, but I find it easier, okay, to just put it on, yeah, before taking out that film, okay? So whatever way is convenient for you, it's okay. It's your call. Do what is convenient for you. I like to put it on and then take out the protective covering. I put it on first, then take out the protective covering. And once that is out, the next thing you do is take the mask, fit it onto your face. You see it's got the opening for the mouth, opening for the nostrils, the eyelids. You just go put your mask on, and I rub. You know why I rub? Some people, I don't know if they rub, but I tend to like to rub it because I know rubbing kind of stimulates absorption, like massaging it, we all know that massaging stimulates absorption, so when you put on, that's why you see when you do facials, they tend to rub it in, massage the face, and because they're just trying to walk up, okay, walk up that skin, and aid absorption of nutrients into the skin. Okay, and then we keep going, we keep going, we keep going. So that's Atomy Daily Expert Mask, and I'm using the moisturizing. So I just, like I said, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up. Okay, just a gentle massage on it. Walk it up, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up. My next video is I'm going to be introducing the Atomy EP Booster. Okay. Don't worry, don't ask me what is EP Booster. Don't worry, don't ask me. I will come back and I'll tell you, and I will show you, and I'll use it so you can actually see. Because sometimes when you use the EP Booster, like I've got the mask on now, okay, I can use the EP Booster instead of using my hand to walk it up and stimulate absorption. I can use the EP Booster. The EP Booster will do a better job. It increases the amount of it increases, intensifies the absorption rate, so the nutrients can be absorbed even more into the layers and layers of your skin. Okay, there's so much the hand can do, but that is a booster, so it does better with the booster. I'm going to introduce that to you maybe in my next video when I'm doing any of my mask video again. I'm going to be introducing that to you, the EP Booster. We've been using it in the center, okay, and to kind of give people to do some free facials for people, because we want them to come try the products for themselves in real time. Okay, because when they try, they say seeing is believing, trying is believing. They try it and they said like, oh my gosh, where has this product been all this while? Where can I get it? How can I do it? So yeah, this is me just massaging this product and trying to aid absorption into my skin. Okay, I miss my EP Booster, I left it at the center, but I'm gonna get it and try to do another demo for you guys. Okay, so that's me done, all done. At least my mouth is clear, my nose clear, my eyes, under my eyes. Try not to get it into your eyes, please. Okay, as with every other thing, you need to be health safety conscious. Try not to get it into your eyes. Don't be overzealous and you're rubbing and rubbing and no, don't, especially around the eye area. Please do not let it get into your eyes. Okay, so just rub gently. Love that skin. Okay, don't be too harsh with your skin. Just rub it gently. Love that skin, and your skin will love you. Okay, love your skin will love you. So that's me all done with the massaging. So after this, what you actually do is leave it to dry. Normally 20 minutes it dries max. Normally mine dries like 20 minutes max, maybe 25 minutes, but it dries out, and once it dries out, you will actually feel the mask losing adhesion. It won't adhere to your skin again. It just tends to want to fall off. So you can pull it off, and once it's off, then you sleep. After sleeping, when you sleep, allow the nutrients to just work all night, soak into your skin. Just let your skin absorb all this amazing nutrients, and then you wake up in the morning to a very nice tone, nice glow, fully moisturized skin, and you can tell the difference. I kid you not, you can tell the difference. Okay, so this is me done with the Atomy Daily Expert Mask Moisturizing. Okay, details will be in the comment section for you to see. How do I look, guys? I look funny, don't I? I'm sure if you see me like this in your bedroom at night, you'll be like, blood of Jesus, who is this? You'll be praying and saying, where did this come from? Oh my days. It looks a bit like weird, isn't it? Oh gosh. Anyway, that's me done now for the Atomy Daily Expert Mask, the moisturizing mask. Okay? And till I see you again in my next video, please take care. Love yourself. Like I said, I don't want to wait to put you here on, 20 minutes. And no, you've seen me take it off in the other videos. When I done, I think the brightening, I took it off. You could see the glow, straight away. All right. So yeah, I'm not gonna do all that now. Okay, just know after 20 minutes or when it dries off, it falls off. Okay, sleep with it. Do not wash your face, please. Sleep with it and wake up in the next morning. Do your normal wash, everything, and look at yourself in the mirror. Okay, and when you do that, remember to say thank you to Lois. All right, I'll see you in my next video.